All right, guys, here is your examples, or here are your examples for SLED Day 8 for the math skills. Once again, this is grade 9, Day 8, the math portion. This is not the exact question that is on the SLED document, but it definitely is one that will benefit you. So the first thing on question 1 is we are solving for x. That's why it says x equals question mark. So in class, we've talked about distributing. So we're going to distribute that 4. So that will lead us to negative 8x plus 28 equals negative 4. And remember, if we're solving for x, we want to keep x where it's at and move everything else to the right side of our equal sign. So I'm going to subtract 28. So I have negative 8x equals negative 32. Since the negative 8 and the x are touching, that means they're being multiplied. So division is the inverse of that. And we're going to get that x equals a positive 4. You can always plug that back in. You can do negative 2 times 4, which is negative 8, plus 7, which is negative 1. And then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So that's an easy way to check your work once you have it to that point. Question number 2, what is the mean and median of the following 9 numbers? Okay, so for mean, the first thing I want you to know is that mean is an average and median is the middle. And most of you would already know this, but in case you don't, you do have to list these numbers from smallest to largest. I guess largest to smallest would work as well. So I'm going to put the 12 first. And then we have 24, 28, making sure I don't miss some, 37, 45, then we have 63, 67, 98, and 108. So at this point, I've listed all my numbers from smallest to largest. And it's easier to go ahead and find the middle actually, so I just count from the outside in. So keep going in until I narrow in on 1. So 45 has to be my median, right in the middle of that data set. Then for the mean, we're gonna add all these numbers up and divide by exactly how many we have. So I'm adding 12 plus 24 plus 28 plus 37 plus 45, plus 63, plus 68. Oh, sorry, it was 67. And then plus 98 and plus 108. And when I add all those up, I get 482, and I have to divide that by 9. And then this is going to come out to be a decimal. So I'm just going to round this. So it would be 53 point, it's 5 repeating. So I'm going to round that to 53.6. Okay. So make sure whenever you're writing your paragraph that you are explaining how we found the mean and that you are explaining how we find the median. And hope that's been helpful. Have a great rest of your day.